The Rebar Spacing Interactive Calculator helps you determine optimal reinforcement bar placement for concrete slabs and walls. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate rebar spacing from quantity. Calculate number of bars from spacing. Calculate total rebar weight. Calculate coverage area per bar. Optimize spacing for target quantity, or calculate two-way grid spacing. I'm using Calculate Rebar Spacing from Quantity. Next, choose Rebar Direction, along length, along width, or both directions. I've selected along length. Enter your slab wall length in meters and slab wall width in meters. Input either rebar spacing in millimeters or number of bars depending on your calculation mode. Specify bar diameter in millimeters and edge cover, offset in millimeters. For this example, I've entered a 10-meter length, 6-meter width, 31 bars, 16-millimeter diameter, and 50-millimeter edge cover. After clicking Calculate, the results show rebar spacing equals 196.7 millimeters, confirming our 31 bars. Total length is 310 meters, total weight is 0.49 kilograms. Coverage area per bar equals 1.935 square meters per bar, and steel ratio is 0.693%. The status confirms spacing and steel ratio are within typical design ranges. Find the link in the description below.